Well, good morning. Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Bit of a Sunday video today. It's early doors, and I'm off to the Tegiwa Cars and Coffee meet. Been there quite a few times. Always good Japanese metal to look at, so I'm looking forward to that. Like I say, it's a bit early, so I'm in a car wash. I'm only in the daily. I'm not in anything spectacular. So I'm in the daily diesel Colt that's been liquid wrapped by Uncle Keith. And yes, liquid wrap can handle car washes and jet washes and all that sort of thing. So it's looking a bit grey outside, so it'll probably be filthy by the time I get there, but never mind. Gonna grab a bit of breakfast and then go meet up with a couple of our customers that are already going. So let's go look at some Japanese cars. Well, we made it to the Tegiwa meet, and as you can see, they're all coming in. They're trying to play car park catchphrase and make best use of their space. It was rammed last time, absolutely rammed. So I'm counting all the FN2s coming in. There's another one. I've seen one with an unusual wheel combination, but I don't think it's an. There it is. There. I don't think it's an FN2, but we'll go and have a look at that in a minute. There's the coffee stand. There's definitely need some. Oh look, there's two of our customers just there. Tony from Hereford. Right, let's go and have a look around. Oh, there's the man. Oh, Jesse, it's a beautiful car, that. Right, let's go and have a look around. Oh, car friend, there's Dave. His beard doesn't get any smaller. Oh, car friend. There's another FN2. It's on air, that one. He gets to park in the nice place. Oh, I wanted to park there. There's another FN, there's an EP. Let's have a look at this one. That's it, you turn up to take your own Clio. We love an FN2. Should we see if Dave can park? Let's give it a go. No, he's aborted. There we go. Slabs it because it's on air. Right, let's go find him. It's another FN. It's a Redden. Obviously, you know it's a Redden because you know your colours. That's a stood up. Yes, sir, please come in your Fiat Punto. You're just the kind of car we want to see. Get out of the way so I can see the FN2. Beauty. Night black. car park's filling up lovely now. I'm right down the other end. I'll have to go and have a look at my car in a bit. Dave's going to show himself up.
I'm way too close.
Well, I think I've seen pretty much all the motors. I took photographs of all the Civics. I've been walking around the streets of Stoke because that's how busy and rammed this place is. So onwards for me to Birmingham now to pick up some spare parts for my own FN2. And I'll catch you all in a bit. Let's run some photos.